do there?
I work in the fast food industry.
So you're tired of asking people if they want fries with that, right?
Every time I say that, I die a little inside.
Come on.
It's not that bad. It's not as bad as that makes you get sad.
So you work in fast food, but you want to be an American Idol?
I do.
What'd you say?
I'm singing Tom Sawyer by Rush.
Okay.
No, his mind is not for rent. Don't put him down as arrogant. His reserve a quiet defense, writing out the day's events. I don't know, I like stand-up comedy, I guess.
You have a good joke you can tell us?
Not the richest family growing up, so we played a game called Earthquake. So you
Okay.
take your glass and you go, Earthquake. So,
That's your joke?
yeah.